Hello friends, welcome back to my Learn Easy Maths channel. Today I am once again before you to discuss about mathematical topics, some important topics and related things to that topic. Today our topic of discussion is a circle. It is very great and very important part of our mathematics, particularly the topic in the geometry. I would say that circle is such a great geometrical figure in the learning process. We learn so easily, also we learn it with great understanding, and it is applicable and also it is related to almost all the other applications of the mathematical subjects. As you might be knowing, many of you are aware that a circle has the four sector when it is divided, and when it is just made to stretch and mold and shape and design it in the different form, the circle will take or assume the new shape that is called the rectangle. There are such many more things are there. We shall discuss in the future. Now today we will come to this. You might be seeing that I have drawn four figures here. This circle, this circle, this circle and this circle. Let's we understand and we discuss what is circle. What is circle? It is a round shaped figure in the geometry. It is a round shaped figure in the geometry which is a curved in shape, possessing or having a center in the middle of it, and it has so many related content to it. What are those? There is one more definition. There are many more definitions are there which involves in the circle. The first definition is that a locus of a point moving in a plane such that the distance from the point in a plane to its center is always constant. This is a locus of a point moving in a plane, and this distance, from this distance there is a point in the center which coordinate and making it to move the locus in a plane, and the distance from the center to any point on a circle is always same, constant or equal, whatever the things you can say it. This center and these are the points on a circle. So this length or the distance from the center to a point on a circle, we call it is a radius. R-A-D-I-U-S. It is the radius of a circle. So radius of a circle, this measures only decide and make the locus to move in a plane such that each point on the plane or on the circle to the center, it is going to trace out the whole circle. Okay. Or a circle is a geometrical figure which has infinite points in the plane, and the distance of each point to its center is the same. This also the definition. I said no in the beginning itself. We will have many more definition according to our understanding, according to our perception, that we can say it. It is need not necessarily and mandatory that what the definition is given in the particular textbook, in the particular material and the particular content. Need not necessarily. What I understand according to my perception and understanding, I am going to explain, and what you understand according to your understanding point and your perception, you can explain or you can define it. This is the definition of the circle. Okay, we will discuss and understand some part of this. As I told you that the distance from the center to any point on the circle, this distance or this length is called as a radius. Okay. This is also called a radius because any point on a circle to the center and its length is measured, they are called radius. This is radius, radius, radius. Radius is a plural and the radius is a singular and the plural form is radii, R-A-D-I-I. So this is the radius. Okay. Now in this second figure, are you able to see this one? I have drawn there is a line from one end of the circle to another. This is connecting. The line joining between the 2 points on a circle. The line joining between the 2 points on a circle, and it passes through the center. Every circle has a center, and this I join the line. The line joining, the line passing from one end or one point of the circle to another through the center. This is called diameter. Understand? It is called a diameter. So what is the relationship exist, or what is the relationship between the radius and the diameter? Double the radius is 1 diameter. 2 radius is equal to 1 diameter. Or radius is half of the diameter. Diameter is double the radius and radius is half of the diameter. So we will write like this. Diameter capital D is equal to 2 into R. Or R is equal to radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. This is all about the diameter. A circle has infinite points, or we can say that it has many points. Many points which do not come under the preview or under the domain of countable, so we have to better to say that infinite only. In mathematics, particularly in calculus now, I think many of you may not be understanding what calculus is. That when you learn the highest mathematics in the PUC level and above that courses, you come to know that there are certain infinity identities that you will be surprised and also stunned to see that they exist in that way, that in calculus. So some teachers suggest that instead of saying the infinity, we say that many more points. Many more points is an interpretation. There is something can be counted. That many comes, when it is counted, it comes to end. But when you say infinite means there is no chance of counting. Yes or no? Because when it has so many points which do not leads for a countable, then we can say that it is an infinite. Okay, this all about infinity. Now radius is half of the diameter, diameter is double the radius. Here diameter is this one, line joining the 2 points on a circle and passes through the center. It is called a diameter. There is another line joining the 2 points on a circle. There is another line connecting the 2 points on a circle, but it is not passing through the center. That line is called chord, C-H-O-R-D, chord. The line joining the 2 points on a circle, but no center. Here the reference of center is not there. And when there is a reference of center, you should understand and you should say that without any doubt that it is a diameter. If there is a line joining between the 2 points on a center, 2 points on a circle, there is no center, just it is a plain line, then we can say that it is a chord. Then the spelling is C-H-O-R-D, chord. Okay. This is radius, this is a diameter, this is a chord. My question is that how many radius does a circle have? A circle has infinite radius because circle is a figure which is formed by joining. There are many infinite points in a plane which is described and inscribed by a locus. Okay, so that's why it has infinite points. And as you know that this line joining the center to a point on a circle, how many points will be joining to the center on a circle? There are infinite points, so we can say that there are infinite points, then it has infinite radius. We say that infinite radii. Then what is this diameter? The line joining the 2 points on a circle through the center, it is called a diameter. How many points we can join together on a circle? A circle possesses infinite points. Therefore, we can say that there are infinite diameters are also there. Similarly, what is a chord? Any two points joined together to form a line, it is called a chord. The line joining the 2 points on a circle is called a chord. So here you can understand there is one corollary. I would say that diameter joining the 2 points on a circle through center. Chord is joining the 2 points without center. So I would say that the general definition of a chord is a line joining the 2 points on a circle is called a chord. Diameter is also a chord, but chord is not a diameter. So we can say that every diameter is a chord, but all chords are not a diameter. This is the logical inference. This is the logical conclusion. Okay. The next thing is that here, what do we say? Here there is another figure. You can see that this is a PQ chord and this is a PQ arc marked through X. PQ is an arc through X and joining the 2 points on a circle. So PQ, QXP, this portion of the circle, this part of the circle is called segment of a circle. It is called the segment of a circle. What is a circle? It is a portion or it is a region occupied by, or it is a space occupied by a chord and an arc of a circle, that is called the segment of a circle. See, are you able to see that? A chord and it is an arc, and this region or the space between the chord and a arc is called the segment of a circle. When you draw a chord to a circle, the chord divides the circle into two segments. Okay, a chord and a major arc represent a major segment, a chord and a minor arc represent a minor segment. Here you can see easily that it is a chord. Chord is common, but this arc is a minor, so therefore it is called a minor segment. Are you all following? And this is a major arc and a chord, we say that it is a major segment. Remember this one. Okay, this is the thing that you have to remember it. Major segment. Alright. Now this is all about the segment. Now here you are seeing this one, a circle and two radius and an arc. OA and OB are the two radii of a circle, and it is joined or formed by an arc. So this region or this portion occupied or surrounded or bounded by the region or the portion bounded by two radii and an arc is called sector of a circle. Sector of a circle. What is a sector? The region or the portion bounded by two radii and an arc is called a sector. One important point to be noted in this one, whenever a sector is formed in a circle, it subtends an angle theta. Remember that one. The arc and these two radii subtends an angle which we generally call as a theta. Okay. So this is very important. For segment we do not have any angle. For sector we inevitably and we ought to have an angle, then only it is a sector. Okay. Here also the same the rule can be applied that the region occupied by the region bounded by the two radii and a minor arc is called a minor sector, and the area or the region bounded by the two radii and a major arc is called major sector. Understand? So this is only the difference between the sector, the segment, and the chord, and the diameter, the radii, everything. The last but not the least, this line, are you able to see that? A circle, okay, center, this radius, but outside the circle, one line passes through very closely, but it touches this circle at one point. Are you able to see this one? This PQ, it touches the circle at a point A. So the line which passes near the circle or on the side of the circle touching it at one point, or the line touches the circle at one point, it is called tangent. T-A-N-G-E-N-T, tangent of a circle. It is very, very important. Okay. tangent is the directional and also the inclined part of a circle. What directional and inclined? See that one. For example, I would like to show here in the figure. See that one. This is a tangent and its direction is this one. And this is a tangent and its direction is this one. And this is a tangent and its direction is this one. This is a tangent and direction is this one. It is just inclining. See that one. It's inclining, just moving like this. So at every point, the tangent keeps inclined and deviates its direction. Okay. So tangent is very, very important because tangential force going to play a vital role, particularly in the launching of almost all the, what we can say that the space vehicles, whether it may be a rocket, it may be a launching satellite launching vehicle, or it may be a shuttle, everything there is a tangent which is equal to 45, tan 45, then it takes a direction. So this is all about our circle, important, and also the introductory part and introductory definition. And inshallah in our next class I am going to take some important I would say that a mini theorem or some postulates or some mathematical geometrical statements, what it interprets and what it explains and what it describes related to the geometrical things. With this I am going to end up my video. Once again I would like to request to your kind notice, please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and also do not forget to watch it. Because you subscribe, do not watch, or you watch it but never subscribe, the purpose will never be served. So it is in the interest of our students, our learning community, that please share more and more, viral this, and you just spread this video. It does not incur any cost, it does not require you for to invest the things, only that you have to just take a little strain or some difficulty efforts and click it and you spread it. And let's hope that this part and this discussion is mostly enjoyed by you. With this I am going to end up my video. Take care. Inshallah we will meet you in the next video.